Good morning, Miss Tower here, and guess what time it is? It's story time. Let's see what treasure we're going to read today. Guess what book is back? It is Nouns and Verbs Have a Field Day. Oh, we get to finish this book. So last time we met the nouns and the verbs. Right? A noun is a person, place, or thing, and a verb is an action. And the nouns and verbs decided to have a field day, just like the kids were having a field day at Mr. Wright's class. But the nouns paired up with other nouns, and the verbs paired up with other verbs, and it wasn't working. So they took a look at what the kids were doing, right? And we saw this page. And I wonder if they're going to get some inspiration from this page. So let's see what they're going to do. We forgot, yelled a verb. Our jobs, shouted a noun. We need verbs, said the nouns. We need nouns, said the verbs. Then they chose new teams and partners so that they could have fun and play their own games. Things happen when we work together. So we have yell, smile, and talk. So here we go. Right? So here in the verbs, and we have a noun that looks like a backpack. And here's a verb with a phone. Right? And here's a shoe. And over here, let's see what this says. We can still be friends. Don't worry, I still like you. I don't want you for a partner. If you get tired, I'll take your place. Please be gentle. Will you be my new buddy? So here we go. We have paper and pencil saying we can still be friends. And the pizza is afraid of the verb chew, right? And pronoun is saying, if you get tired, I'll take your place. And the soccer ball wants the kick to be gentle. And the scissors want to be friends with the verb cut. Okay. Then get ready, get set, go. And the nouns and verbs kicked off their own field day. Nouns and verbs played tug of words. So we have Yank and TikTok playing tug of war, or tug of words. I'm a strong verb. Choose me. You can depend on me. So we have pull, yank, and tug, right? So there they are. Over here we have nouns and verbs play hide and seek. So we have ice cream and we have the ice cream hiding from the verb eat. It's hiding behind a book. We have the soccer ball hiding under a table from the verb kick, right? We have a pencil hiding from the word chew. Looks like it's hiding under a mat. And we have a word hiding from the eraser, right? Simon says spin around. Simon says jump. The nouns and verbs played Simon says. Kiss the fish. Oops. So, let's see. The world is turning, right? The TV is jumping. And the kiss the fish. But we didn't say Simon says, did we? Nouns chose their partners for a three-legged race. Ooh, take a look at this. Here's a little riddle. So we have a book plus a worm makes the compound word, which is two nouns together, bookworm. We have a ring and a fish, or gold and a fish for goldfish. Oh, goldfish is over here. And we have black and a board, and it makes blackboard. Then the new compound nouns teamed up with verbs. So we need you, right? So we have bookworm and wiggle, right? And we have the goldfish and leap. They're doing a three-legged race. Nouns acted out verbs for others to guess. Okay, here we go. We can take a look at them, look at what they're doing. Looks like they're all kind of wiggling, right? And there's Guess going, I don't know what they're doing. The nouns and verbs had the time of their lives. Finally, they decided to show Mr. Wright's class how much fun nouns and verbs could be. They made up new games for the kids. They scrambled and juggled and twisted, and they laughed themselves silly. There we go. So we have nouns and verbs together having fun. Twist and juggle and laugh and math. When Mr. Wright's class came back, the kids could not believe their eyes. Wow, they said, nouns and verbs moved around. The stars reach for always. Mr. Wright looked puzzled. I forgot to close the window. It must have been a breeze. The over jumped Moon the cow. That's a little bit puzzling, isn't it? But when Mr. Wright and his kids noticed the message on the board, they couldn't wait to have a different kind of field day, playing around with the nouns and verbs. So this is what they left, the nouns and verbs left the kids. So it says, dear, and we can choose one of these, kids, you can eat around with nouns, verbs, and nouns. Your friends, nouns, and verbs. This should probably be, you can play around with nouns and verbs. But we can make this funny, kind of like a little riddle, and make a different story. Well, that was a great book, and of course, it gives me so many ideas. Well, I hope you like this exciting conclusion to Nouns and Verbs. Have a field day. Stay tuned for next time. Bye.